Sound test. 1, 2, 3. Sound test. I think we are good to go. Hopefully, it's going to be a better stream than yesterday this time, and not have problems with the hardware, ideally, right? Right. I am glad you agree. In some ways, a good time. Yeah, it's a good time, all right. Okay. I think we should be good. All right. Let's launch this baby. I feel like the music is a little too loud, so let's lower it down, right? So people can actually hear us. Right. I don't remember what I was working on yesterday again. I know I was doing something, and I was thinking about doing something. Ooh. Gotta keep your head up. All right, let me launch Discord and send that message again with proper formatting, and then we can get started on the code. Where is my guy? Is right here. And I go to over here, get over here. And copy, okay. Okay. There we go. So let me launch my browser here, right? Cool. Let's get it done. Restore if you remember it. Cool, it does remember it. Oh, it was the test that wasn't working, and I'm supposed to fix the test client. Okay, that makes sense. No thanks. And then something fox. Breast fox. Cool. I'm just add that to the favorites, so I don't have to like keep looking for it. And I'm gonna remove this from favorites, so I don't have to worry about it. So we're good. Okay. Come here, big boy. This right there. Okay. Yeah, now I remember that we were working on I'm gonna call this thing. We were working on fixing the unit test that was failing. So I think we should have a good head moving on from there. So let's test something, right? So here we're gonna go Docker exec. It doesn't have the autocomplete here, and it's annoying. And okay, I'm gonna say dictionary one is gonna be dictionary YOLO equals 1, 2, 3, and then swag equals 3, 4, 5, and then shared equals 23, right? So this is what we have, and then D2, I'll just say here, let's say D2, shared, I'm gonna make this 44, and I'm gonna say I equals nope. All right. So if you D2, that's it. And if I do D1 merged by D2, oh, it's not D1, it's just D. We get shared, and shared overrides it, which is cool. Okay. So in that regard, to fix that problem here that I'm having, I don't have to do this. All I gotta do is this self.extra, right? Merged by extra. That should be enough. Right? And then it's gonna be sent down over here. And I can override it if I need to. So let's actually test this, right? Because I don't know why I made this so fucking complicated. So let's go over here. And I'm going to run this test again. I think this time it should work perfectly fine. Non-type and dictionary. Okay, so if this is... Okay, let's put this into parentheses then. So, you know, that parenthesis gets executed first. So if it is a non-type, it defaults to the empty dictionary. So it can still do the merging. Line 16. 16? Oh, yeah, we are, because we're also doing get requests. You should let it go through perfectly fine. That's what I'm talking about. So now, if I am, yeah, counting spaces is 3, counting spaces is 1. Okay, now it works as expected. I was struggling with this yesterday because, like, I was under the impression that it wasn't sending the chats properly. KTO, bonjour, how you doing? Tamer, they did some layoffs and I lost my job. Back to freelancing, I guess. Fuck them bitches, bro. Sorry to hear about that, bro. I don't think freelancing is that bad, but of course, if you had like something nice that you were enjoying, that you've enjoyed doing, yeah, it's things, isn't it? How are you guys doing? Each day I work with JavaScript is a day I am not enjoying, but JavaScript, JavaScript like JavaScript has become like PHP. People just keep going to it because it is like so fast and convenient and easy to get started with. I remember long ago everyone wanted a Ruby on Rails developer. Now it's just React. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. I didn't really get exposed to the hype around Ruby on Rails, but it was ringing my ears here and there for a bit. Like around 2017-ish, it was kind of hyped up. I don't know why, but because I was still like focusing on Python, I didn't really like get into it. I never made anything that was MVC. Oh, interesting. I did a lot of MVCs. Like I was doing a lot of Laravel prior. Like Laravel is a PHP, so it's all MVC, right? Like model view controller. There was a lot of that going on. I'm not sure if Laravel works still the same because the last version Laravel I used was Laravel 5. I'm not sure where they're at right now. I didn't really keep up since it's PHP and I completely abandoned it. It looks interesting. It is, who needs to learn a language? Just use ChatGPT. People just kept saying that, like when I was streaming here, and then when ChatGPT, got the biggest hype, they were just coming around to me and they're like, "Oh, why don't you use ChatGPT?" I'm like, "Dude, that's not what ChatGPT does." The message wasn't getting across. I just tell the AI I'm lazy, so I write this loop. I should know by now. Broski. All right, let's clean this up and then get back to here. So this thing here should work just fine. And also, let's do another here assertion, right? So I've got assert equal, right? I don't want to name this res1 anymore, so res.json .get what is the code I'm raising here? I don't remember 100%. Oh shit! I forgot to connect charger to the laptop. Guys, one sec. That's the streaming PC is gonna die on me. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna get my charger. See if this works. I don't want to dig through the bag to get it out right now, but if it works, that'll be cool. That'll be cool. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. It works. Okay, now it's charging. Let's see. Right now it's at 49% and it's charging, and we should be good. All right. Right. Cool. All right. I just said so many rights. And the code that I'm expecting here is error code. Shit, I forgot. Response code, we want that. So let's go over here. Bearer on token, JWT token structure is invalid. So it thinks it's a valid thing. No, the lowercase should throw an error. Why isn't it throwing an error? Let's check this out. It's none? No, that doesn't. Invalid JWT token, bearer IN token. This should not pass. Jokes with Katie. All right, I'm ready for the incoming. Let's do P format so I can actually read this fucker. I had a dark job, but it was so dark it got shot by police. I hate that I can understand that shit. Yeah, good thing I seen that before, so I kind of know, like, you know. So I'm not doing any uppercasing or lowercasing, so where the fuck is it coming down? It seems like it's passing through it. So is it coming from here, the line 65? Nick, how you doing? Hello, Justin. Thanks for the early stream. I afraid I can't stay long. Tired as fuck. Ah, man, welcome and sure thing. What happened? How come you're so tired? Woke up like 2 hours before my alarm and couldn't fall asleep. Oh, I hate that feeling, yo. It happened to me a few times. I mean, it happens to me from time to time, and it's absolutely annoying as fuck. Like your whole day, you just feel weird. So decode error is happening. It is passing, so it's actually coming down to this line here, which is kind of messed up. So I guess Anyway, time to clean the house before I hit the deck. See, yeah. All right, man. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it, and have a good rest. By the way, I don't know if you're still here. I sent you an updated version of that thing, a formatted version of the message yesterday on Discord. If you haven't seen it, yeah, on Discord, yeah. it shouldn't kill your eyes trying to read it this time. Why would I need to learn about cookies? Haven't you seen my Steam profile? No. I know you are making a pun there, but I don't know what it is because I can't relate because I don't know what it is. Yeah, that's showing up on stream now. I don't want to open it here on stream. I'll look at it after. Let me see if I can open it up in the off monitor browser. Copy. Okay. Oh no. Copy message link. There you go. This is off screen, so we should be able to. What are you? Cookies. I'm not getting it. Is it achievements? Is it shit? Look at my profile name, you ding. Community hot cookies. Oh my god. I am so fucking blind. I hate myself. One day I'm gonna end it because of this kind of embarrassment I'm causing to myself. If you never get to that point, it's gonna be because of like self-caused embarrassment, you know? It literally pops up and explains automatically on Discord. I'm like, I didn't even pay attention to that at all. Lost in the sauce, if you excuse the range. I am lost. I'm so lost. There's a header in invalid format. Yeah, it's failing acquired data bearer. This here, it gets operated for whatever reason. Why? Why would you be opping it? It doesn't make any sense. Why would it be uppercase when I'm sending it lowercase? Let's check this again. Init value, I'm just gonna say header. Is it uppercasing it when it's reading it for me? Like, what is this? Init value, none. Am I fucking tripping here? Like, what is happening, bro? Okay, it says init value bearer, I am token. Okay, that's good. Counting space is 1. I am token again. That's good. Acquired data bearer. Okay, it's because I'm doing this here. God damn it. So it doesn't matter then. That's why. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, let's not shoot ourselves in the foot here. And I'm going to remove this. So I'm guessing this one here will also fail because of the same reason, right? Okay. These all should pass. Response code is none. They're invalid format. So it is here. So why isn't it getting fucking passed down? This thing is just giving me so much unnecessary fucking headache, yo. It's crazy. Let's check this again. We're gonna do res.json. Looks like I broke the response code somehow. How the fuck did I break the response code? Okay, let's go exceptions, authentication. No, DRF exception handler. So the first one is coming here because, okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go, if not response, exception handler. And I want to see what's in the fucking exception here. Status code, error, error. Where am I getting the error? Status code, exk code. And then let's do a response code equals none. And then we're going to say response code equals response code, which is fine. And then this here, response code equals exe dot response code. Error code. Okay. I feel like I should change this to fucking error code because it doesn't make I wouldn't have any response code for successful responses, so it doesn't make sense to have it. I think it's kind of like misleading, so I think I'm gonna fucking correct that. Okay. So now what I can do here, error code. It makes sense. And then we're gonna do this error code to error code. Error code is none by default, and then assertion error. Then we're gonna say error code equals what are we doing with the assertion error? Let's fucking do 400 for now. So if I run this again, holy shit, all of them pass. All right. Yeah, it was coming from there. So this is the good thing about unit test, right? It found the inconsistencies between the things. Okay, so looks like everything is working here, and then I'm gonna go over here and then remove this. Cool. And okay, let's see. So my last one had an invalid format. It gets passed down and it works and it is there, which I am happy with. So we can get rid of all these prints now. Do I have any prints here? Nope, no, no, no. Okay. All right, so says token, where are we? Authenticate request. Oh, this is our thing, so we can actually do that. Okay, let's get rid of this. And we don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Okay, so we are being pretty precise here. Init value, non-init value. Where am I putting the init value? I think it's in the view. Right here. Oh, yeah. There we go. We can get rid of all these. Okay, so we're fine. I like it. Okay, so next step. Now, we did the authentication type, we verified it, and then we verified the other thing, and then we extracted the token. So I think in my functions, do I have a function called isUUID? Is valid UUID. Okay. I can use this here, right? And then we're going to say, yeah, let's add some documentation here. Okay. Authenticating user via authorization header value. We're going to say 1. If out type is basic, token UUID token must be a UUID. And 2, let's just get rid of this. Okay. Out type is bearer, right? Token must be a JWT, signed JSON Web Token, right? Signed JSON Web Token. Makes sense. Guys, check what the heck is going on here. 1 second. Bro. Okay, so sign JW2. We're gonna say verify if valid, and then we're gonna say verify if valid. Okay, so here we're gonna do additional commentary here. We're gonna say if valid, check user status is and then right, and then the second one's here. We're gonna say create a cookie, right? HTTP only cookie alongside with the tool thing. Okay, so alt type is better, and then we're gonna say here. I think this is kind of like self-explanatory, pretty much. That's pretty good. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna move down here, authentication type, and then we're gonna say, right? Actually, I'm gonna uncomment these so I can actually see them. We're gonna say We're gonna say drf create HTTP only cookie. Let's see how it really works. How it's no, it's going to refresh token cookie with drfs. I'm just trying to create an HTTP cookie. It doesn't really matter, bro. Create cookies. I think this should be setting a cookie in Django restaurant. I don't know why DRF's own website is not top result in this thing. It should be. From no, yeah, this is not it. Okay, let's do this from core.utils import response, and then r equals response r dot set cookie. Okay, it has a set cookie method, so that should work, right? R dot headers content time application JSON. If I dot set cookie, I don't know what the thing here is. Name equal test value equals YOLO. So this is like name already, and then this is the value. R dot headers. I don't see the fucking cookie over there. Hmm. So this response here, I'm going to say R equals response R dot set cookie. I want to see what this is. Key. Oh, HTTP only, right here. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so here's the question. If I am setting a secure HTTP only cookie, HTTP cookie is like secure only cookie, right? Okay. Okay, where's HTTP on there? I'm kind of trying to see what the difference exactly is. Security of cookies is in Python. HTTP only and secure flags can be used to make the cookies more secure. When a secure flag is used, then the cookie will only be sent over HTTPS, which is HTTP. Yeah. So, hmm. No, secure cookie. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, this should be fine. So, all right, let's give this a test and then see how it would work. Right. We're going to expect a UUID4 structure here, strict. And, oh, Coco, what's up, big boy? I just saw you here. What the? Coco, get out of there. Get out behind the computer. There's too many wires there, baby. Come boy. Yes, mom. Where you going, Coco? Huh? He's chilling with me. Okay. So we can do that, right? And what we're going to do. So if I do HTTP only, this is good, but I can't do the secure locally because I don't have HTTPS running right now. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenging thing. I'll probably end up having to set up a local SSL certificate to be used. I can get to that. Okay. Hmm. Okay. See where that's done. Okay. All right. We're gonna do this API crack. Yeah, we're not gonna be using this anymore because so instead of doing the API cred, we're gonna use credentials. Credentials that is active. So where is this? Core models API cred. Yeah, this is gonna be completely gone. So I want to open up the credentials. There we go. And then models, credential. Okay. I'll do this credential and then API cred here. Cool. So I just want to like compare these two. All right, we have that as a choices thing, username, key, secret, keys after status. Okay, so this is the same. It's just the location is different. And what's going to happen is, there you go. Yeah, we're just going to like get rid of this thing. Cool. And we don't need this anymore. Oh, we do. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we should be good. We should be good. Okay. I'm just going to go straight up and delete this shit. So let's go API cred, core models, API cred, core models, API cred. I'm going to get rid of all the models from here. API cred. We're just going to go and delete this. Actually, hold on. Let's find all the uses first and then replace it with credential. Find usages. Ooh, it's in a lot of places. If I just delete this up and upright, it's just gonna be hmm. 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 this is okay. Let's do this here where this is getting initialized. We're just gonna do import warn, right? Warnings. And then I'm gonna say warnings.warn deprecated API CRAD. This should be good. Oh, here's Coco. What do you want, baby? Coco wants something. Huh? You wanna come here? You wanna come here, Coco? Coco wants to come here? Come here, babe. Come on. Come on. Come on, babe. Come here, babe. Come on, Coco. Come. I know he's gonna go away when I turn around. Yeah. Starts moving. So, okay, let's see. If I'm like running this, I think I should see some kind of newsletter email. That's good. Your warning. Core model newsletter email. Core models newsletter email. Warnings. Actually, yeah, let's just do the same thing here in the API CRAD instead. It doesn't have to be there. And then where the fuck did I do that thing just now? Oh, excuse me. Oh, I didn't serialize it. What the hell is wrong? Yeah, that wasn't a good idea. I'm like, why isn't it even showing up at all? It should come up from somewhere there, yeah? API credit, now it should show the correct one. Oh, the mic is too far. Okay, so this is good. Let's move on to the next step. So we're gonna come down here, API cred. We're gonna do this credential, right? So let's import this, imported credential.models, cool, credential.models, import credential, good. We're gonna get rid of this. This is good. Okay, so we are getting the token and whatnot, right? So if the authentication type token, we're gonna do this. So right here, before we move on, I'm going to say, hmm. If authentication type equals, right, we're going to say basic, and then we're going to do our thing over here, right? So the authentication type is basic. Then we're going to say credential equals credential.objects.get, and key equals token, right? But before we do that, we need to make sure that it's a valid UUID, right? So again, let's go do this. Is valid UUID. We're going to say token. So this returns what? It returns a Boolean. So okay, we gotta like handle it. We're gonna say if not, we're gonna say raise invalid signature error. Now, I think I'm gonna have to create a new one here. My exceptions. Let's close this. Close this. Close this. Exceptions. 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 Authorization header value invalid. Okay, let's do other than value invalid UUID. Value authorization basic UUID token UUID token is not valid UUID. And we're gonna do that authorization header must be authorization header value authorization token value is not valid UUID. Okay, so we're gonna come down here and we're gonna say invalid UUID, that's good. We're gonna come down here and raise that error. Cool, copy, let's go to views. We're gonna do this over here and then import this, which is good. Okay, so df activate YT install isort. I don't know if it is installed, it's not. Isort and 3. No, I just wanna do it to that file I'm working on, and the file I'm working on is out views. This one, file up API out views. Okay. Cool. All right. Thank you. Oh my God, this looks so much better. Holy smokes. Okay. Now, moving down, we have this credential get token. So if it is not valid, now I should actually see this if I'm sending this. Let's go check this out. Let's go test it out. So right now my fucking header, it's bearer, so it's not gonna catch it, but I'm gonna do basic. All right. If I send it, it's not a valid UUID. It already shows up. So let's go add that to the test, right? And make sure like it has coverage. And then we're gonna say, okay, we're gonna do for basic authorization, token must be a valid UUID. Valid. Okay. And we're just gonna take this here and do this here. We don't need that honestly over here. The header that we are doing here is gonna be over here, and then I'm gonna take this over here, and then I'm gonna type basic invalid UUID. Shit. And the exception response error code I'm expecting here is this guy right here. Let's run it. Oh shit. We have activate violate. Why am I using the wrong one? Send it. Authorization header invalid format. Authorization header invalid UUID. Ooh, it's not a good one. That doesn't make sense. Oh, I have it. Okay, fuck, hold on. There we go. Out token invalid. Yeah, cool, cool, cool. I made it. I didn't even realize I placed the comma there, which is kind of weird, right? Right. I am glad you agree. Coco. Okay. So this is also out of the way. Now I can move over here. I'm going to put this thing a little to over here so it doesn't get in the way. Cool. Credential. So let's see what credential do I have here. Let's go into the shell. And I will do from credential.models import credential. No. Credential. Thank you. And then credential.objects.last. Okay, give me the key. Thank you. So this is my guy right here. Right? If I'm looking at this, this is how I'm gonna get my token. So if it doesn't exist, it should raise an error. But now when I do this, it should just go through with no problem. Something went wrong. It's good that it's doing that because it actually went through. Let's look at the logs. It got a response code. Ooh. 160. All right, it went through just fine, which is cool. This is like, we're making so much progress right now. You know what I'm saying? Was it Alt J to? Oh no. Okay. Status code 401, so we don't really need to do this shit. So I'm just gonna keep getting status code 200, error code 200. Actually, we don't even have an error code here. So we don't need it, so it's redundant. Even that, no, it's not. Okay, cool. So having said that, we should be good on this. Righty, cool, okay. All right, guys, so now we are gonna be able to extract the user from here, right? We're gonna do, I'm able to get the user here, and I'm able to get the credential. I'm gonna say print, right? I'm just gonna say credential acquired with basic, and I'm gonna say credential dot user dot email. I don't know who that is, but let's see. So we're gonna go over there, and if I hit this again and look at my thing here, credential acquired with basic passes job. There you go. So it's good, it works, and we're good, right? This is nice. So the next here is we're gonna do another thing here. We're gonna say cookie required. We're gonna get to that. So here, right, we're gonna check the user's account status, and then we're gonna go from there. If authentication type equals error, it is this whole thing here. We're gonna do Christmas text into Friable. I don't even know what this is, but there you go. So we are doing the code payload, client source, involve client source. Client API key, decoded.payload.get, that's the one. And then here we're saying this, we're getting the client resource, involve client resource, okay? Yeah, this is not a thing anymore. It is redundant because it's the first thing we are checking right now. Client source is specified. So the client source options, JS file Python, PHP, JS file lib. Okay. So this should be all right. And then that means we have to provide that as well. But I think this should be prior to here. Decoded payload. Actually, that makes sense that we don't have to do that. Okay. So these, anything with the thing here, has to be here. And then instead, we're going to call this credential. No, we're just going to say get, and then that's what we're going to do, right? So that's pretty much it. And what the fuck is going on with my connection? Am I good? Looks like it's frozen. Bro, come on. Stop tripping on me. I don't have any drop frames, but it looks like it's struggling. Okay. Okay, now it should be good, I think. I have no drop frames whatsoever, so what's your problem? I think we are back to normal now, right? I think. Bro, every single day, this thing is giving me like so much fucking issues all the time. I don't know what the hell is going on. Is it the computer? Like, what the fuck is it? Is it gonna work? Okay. It looks like it's suffering hard. Okay, what about here? Is it my internet? Like, I don't understand what the hell is going on, to be honest. It is struggling big time. I don't know what it is that's causing so much fucking fuss. No, I'm using barely 20% CPU with everything I'm doing. So, what the fuck is going on? Is my internet struggling? Okay, let me check real quick. No, it is at 1.1 gigabits per second. It's definitely the fucking computer. Let's try that. Yeah. Channel is offline. Are you kidding me? Bro. Okay, it seems like it's kind of back. I don't know what the hell's going on, but like I have 0 drop frames and it is tripping. Come on, bro. Just let me do my thing. Okay, we are kind of back on this. And I think we should be good now. Something was making it struggle for some reason. Right. Okay. Looks like we're good. Oh, my camera is off. What the fuck? I hate this so much. Alright, my camera is back. Everything is fucking acting up here. I think we're good. We're good. It's like we're good. It was going through something for a little bit. I don't know why, but I think we're fine. Okay, so we don't need this. And then, okay, we don't need this anymore either. We are already making the description prior. Actually, yeah, we have to do that. Okay, I'm gonna do authentication. I'm gonna create another one here. And then JWT invalid UUID. Raised when the payload user API key value is not valid UUID. So we're gonna say what did we say here exactly over there? So let's go over here, invalid API key structure. We're gonna say API key must be a valid API key, right? Must be valid. Yeah. If not, all right, we're gonna say raise That's okay. So we're gonna create this over here. When I carry this over, okay, import this for me, please. Thank you. Cool, 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 cool. And then from here on, let's say authorization header. Okay, we're gonna say Json Web Token payload API key invalid UID. API key provided in JSON Web Token payload is invalid UID. So that kind of makes sense, right? Right. So I can trigger this pretty easily with this, I'm hoping. All I gotta do is make this bearer. And then here add YOLO to the end, right? This is gonna fail for sure. Oh yeah, shit. This is not even a thing. Hold on. God damn it. We're gonna do. I forgot how I was doing this, bro. So let me go see whether I'm doing this. GitHub, we're gonna say GitHub. Okay, I think I was doing it on this one here, so I'm trying to remember how I did that. Pilot, client, and okay. Now, okay, there you go. This is the payload, file of API key, and request client source. So let's go do these. since I have the credential here, I'm gonna do okay. Grad equals this, import JWT. I'm gonna do payload equals API key is gonna be cred.key and client source. I think this is like filelib Python. Was it? I don't know what the hell that thing really was. I think it was. Where am I doing the thing, the Python thing here? Client source, Python filelib. Oh, there you go. It's the other way around. Okay, so we're gonna say JWT dot encode, right? Payload, and this is gonna be the cred. Oh shit, hold on. Cred dot secret. Cred dot unmask secret. Okay, cred dot secret. It is still that way, so we're gonna just do this. JW2 dot encode payload cred dot unmask secret. I think this is sufficient enough. UID is not serializable, of course. So I think it's the thing here. We're gonna do dot str. It should be sufficient. Cool. So if I do this again, expect a string value from where? The key? Secret equals crack that unmask. Secret. Secret. That's a string. So what the fuck are you talking about? Oh, there you go. What? It doesn't like it for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, so this is our payload. Basically, this is our Json Web Token. So if I provide this, this should be perfectly fine, right? So like it shouldn't give me any problems. JSON token structure is invalid. No, that doesn't make sense. It can't be invalid. It's a real fucking thing. Okay, I want to see if it is going through the parsing state. I just want to see. I'll type bearer our token. It's actually getting the token. So doesn't make it there. Okay, that's kind of. Oh no, did I even like make this? Okay. Yeah, it's not doing that. So where the heck is the fucking? Bearer. So how am I ending up here? This doesn't make any sense. Dude, we are not seeing this. This is kind of weird. Let's see. Valid token. In my exceptions here, invalid Json Web Token. Decode error. What the fuck? No. So decode is failing. How the fuck are you failing? Yo. Oh, Alexa David. Oh, sorry. How are you doing, man? I'm doing good. How about you? I got distracted here. I was focusing on the on the code so hard. Sorry if I missed you. Okay. Let me continue. So we are making it here. And then if it is basic, we are doing this. And we are fetching our credential. So right here, this is happening. Token. Let's try this again, right? It's the same value, which is good. And if I do decode token verify equals false. Oh, this motherfucker right here. So algorithms, I'm not sure how to spell this word properly. Algorithms equals. I think it's like this. Signature verification failed. What is the default decode thing here? Also, when I'm sending this in code, Okay, let's do this. JWT Python. Let's just go over here. I don't know what version I'm on, but fuck it, let's just do this. HS256. So did I make a typo making this? No, algorithms. It's a fucking list. That's encode, algorithms, decoding. That's pretty much it. So let's do this. Oh, I'm supposed to pass the fucking secret. Secret. There you go. Okay, so this works. Apparently, I don't know why I am not doing it that way. So decode, verify false. So I can't do decode verify false because I need to access the payload first before I can verify it. It's important that I have it first. Encoding, decoding tokens, the agency 6, that's fine. Okay, you can do this. Encode key, algorithm RS256. Okay. And private key cryptography, that's also good. Headers, good. Okay, reading the claims without validation. Decode, encoded options, verified signature false. So this is how you're supposed to fucking do it now. There you go. God damn it. I didn't know they changed it. Okay, this is the thing. Like, don't I have a version number on this file? Because it doesn't make sense that it is doing things. It's 260. Hmm. KTO, dude, you are still here? My girlfriend got new braces yesterday, and now all my kids are behind bars. God damn it, dude. Actually, I like the I like the insinuation there. God damn it. Oh shit. So let's see this guy here. PyJWT. Okay, installation. Yeah, we are doing it with PyJWT, which is good. So I'm gonna get these release numbers here, so it kind of makes sense, you know. What's the version that I'm on? 2.6. 2.6. This is 2.8. Not much changed since then, but yeah, fuck it. Let's update it to 2.8. So things are a bit more consistent, right? Okay, so we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna say pip install file app requirements.txt. Let's go. Okay, let's do the same thing. Exec. I'm gonna say pip install our requirements txt. Send it. All right. So let's do this. Go back into shell. Okay. Payload. There we go. And then what else did I do? Secret equals this, and then token equals algorithm equals, we're gonna say HS256, not 356, 256. Cool. So now I'm gonna do jwt.decode. It's required that you pass in a value for the algorithm argument when calling decode. Not if you're fucking doing this thing, bro. You, this motherfucker. Okay, so decode. Okay, let's go over here. Decode. I want to read this fucker. That's the token, and then key, a lot public keys, algorithm, options, dictionary, algorithm. None, okay. Verify. Look, this, it's deprecated, removing Python Json Web Token 3. Okay, so there is work towards it. So it's ignoring the verify, but it's, although it's not deprecated, it is still ignoring it, which is weird. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to fucking go with it. It's not like I have a choice, right? God. Hey, where was this thing? The tokens reading the claim set without validation. Yeah. So we're gonna do that. Let's go over here. Token. Instead of doing this, we're just gonna do that. retrieve the payload without verifying signature. Okay, so let's try this again. This time the decode should not fail. I think it should not fail. Let's try this again. I'm hoping it works. Something went wrong. That's a good thing. It means it changed. Made it here. All right. API credit is not defined. Oh, okay. This is what I'm going to do now. We're going to go back to the payload, right? What I'm going to do here. There you go. There you go. So if I do encode this again, where the fuck is, did I miss it? I think I missed it. God damn it. There you go. Okay. So if I'm looking at token, okay, it's different now because the value has changed. So if I send it over here, it should give me the error I'm looking for. Okay, let's send it. There you go. Progress, motherfucker. Cool. So let me run a test around this, right? To make sure that it is actually covered. Where the fuck is my test? There you go. Okay, we're gonna say from credentials.test.mux import mock credential. So we have that, and then I'm gonna say here, right? We're gonna do test Json Web Token containing invalid UID for client API key, right? API key. So we're gonna say cred equals mock credential, and then we're gonna say payload equals shit. What's my payload looking like? I fucking hate dealing with these fucking single quotes everywhere. I don't know if there's like a, pretty sure there's a shortcut I can do for this. So we're gonna do this here. I'm gonna do invalid UID. Makes sense, right? Right. I am glad you agree. I'm gonna say just token equals the token encode, and we're gonna say payload, and then cred.unmask secret, and then algorithm equals HS256. And we're gonna do this now. Right? Send it. All right, client post, and then authorization. We're gonna say bear with me, bearer. The How the fuck did you end up on the next fucking line, you fuckhead? So it should be this. I don't want to exit. I don't want to exit. I'm just gonna go to the third one here. I'm gonna say docker exec, run it one more time. Oh my goodness! Null value in column name violates not null constraint. I think it's coming from here. Mock credential, yeah, because okay, let's say model bakery autofill. Okay, basic usage. Yep, there's a thing for fucking like filling up empty fields. I don't remember what it was. I forgot. There's a thing. There's a setting. I can't. You can pass the phone. They're not create answer. Also, false. I back remain or back remain. Object. Say related to cost or quantity. Quantity. Bulk creates new. More than one instance. That's not it. Oh, Coco, how you doing, big boy? There's like a field optional fields thing setting. I don't know where the fuck is this setting thing, keyword. Hold on, let me see if that has a model field optional. Is that the one? Let's see if this is gonna work, but I'm not sure. Let's go. Make credential field optional equals true. Yes, baby. What's my kitty want? Who wants something? Guys, I'm gonna check what my kitty wants, and then I'll be back. Mr. Kitty is meowing at me. He wants me to follow him, so I'm gonna follow him. What you want, big boy? Quick. Okay, I'm back and let's continue. I'm making good progress here. Oh, yeah. Fucked up that it requires the name to be provided in it, which I don't like that it does. Mm-hmm. So when I do the, it passes the credential to it. So the make is actually getting that field. So what the fuck? Hmm. Hmm. Why isn't it? Okay, I don't want to spend too much time trying to find that shit. So I'm just gonna go provide it. Name equals first credential. I think it's going to ask for a user too. User, yeah. And then let's see. User equals not user. Okay. Holy shit. Okay. It actually worked and I like it. That's a good job right there. Okay, okay, okay. That was fast, honestly. Okay, so that's like another step down the line, and we're good. Okay, so this is yabba. Okay, so now what is the endpoint? What's the problem that we are getting if we provide a proper one? Okay, we got our token back, which is good. So if I am to replace it here and hit enter, we get something went wrong, which is okay because kind of name API credit is not defined. All right, cool. So this gets this. It checks on this one. Okay, payload and API key. Yeah, we should replace this one as well. We're gonna say unsupported, right? Like so. Authentication. Do we really need authentication? It shouldn't be authentication here. We're gonna do yeah, I think this is more like an authentication thing because it's kind of part of like what we're identifying. Plus, actually, shit, just copy so I can just modify it a little bit. All right, we're gonna say JWT. What do we call this thing? Client source. unsupported client source. Okay, we're gonna say and what is the thing that we're exactly client source? Okay. Request client source in be able to payload must be one of from Django.conf imports headings. Thanks. You didn't want to do it that way, but what to do? Okay. So now let's do a test on this one. And we're going to say if not, right? Actually, if not in, raise this. Thank you. That's all we need. So let's go over here and create a new one, right? I'm going to do payload. And then we're going to say YOLO here. Oh, shit, I just broke this. Cool. And then we're going to do token equals this. So, all right, the token has changed, which is okay. Now we're going to take this and we should have that instead of. All right. That's good. And then let's write a test for that. Where is the test? Over here. Cool. Okay. And then we're going to say here, we're going to say test that request client source must be one of the expected values. Settings dot whatever the fuck it is. Just do this. Okay. So we're just going to do this again. And we're going to just put that here. This is going to be invalid source. And then we're just going to say cred.key and underscore str. I think that should be good enough. Right? Right. Let's run it again. Oh, shit, I forgot to change the thing. Yeah. It's supposed to be this. Oh, shit. Fuck. What am I doing? I copied the wrong one and replaced it with the wrong one. What is going on? I'll do it. I'll do it. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. So, dude, something is like working out on the fucking stream. What the hell? Terminal is like working, bro. Chill out. Okay, so this is also out of the way. And we are now pretty much gotten rid of all the asserts, which I'm kind of happy. Okay, now we do account. Account status check, right? That's important. I'm kind of tired. I don't know. I should continue, take a break. This is 6 p.m. How long has it been? Yeah, it's just 3 hours. God damn it, Justin. Gotta work more. Okay, so we're gonna say here block suspended hold it. Okay. Let's do a account exceptions. So I'm just gonna do this here. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna say user account canceled. Hold on, what's the fucking error here? Credential. Oh, credential. Shit. Yeah, I still need it for this one, so I'm gonna hold on to it. But for authentication, I'm just gonna use this one here for authentication. Okay, and then we're gonna say credential inactive. Makes sense, right? Raised when a credential dot model dot credential status is not active. So what is the error? We are inactive API credential. I think this is a pretty good one here. So I'm gonna just hold on to it. Inactive API credential. We're gonna go with 403 because if it's inactive, authentication is required, and then credential used to authenticate is not in active status. Straightforward, nice, and cool. Cool. So now, that means like things are working. It's just that like we need to make sure that all those things are taken into consideration and then they do their thing properly. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. Oh dang. Oh dang. 1, 2, 3. Holy shit, bro. Didn't know. This is nuts. All right. I like it. What is this fucking song? Sounds so sad. Oh yeah, no. Stereo Hearts, maybe later. Maybe this one. What? Okay. Dev Marvel. Hey, how you doing, man? What are you working on, dude? Oh, I am working on my personal project and currently working on my Json Web Token authentication endpoint, and I'm doing some verifications and writing tests. So step by step, like I'm kind of doing like a little test-driven development at the moment, and I'm implementing like a small fraction of the entire thing and then writing a test to cover it, make sure like it has test coverage 100% by the end of, that I'm done. But overall, the project is a file uploader project that also has file conversion services. So far, I've only implemented the file uploading section. And after this is done, I'm going to do a little demo for the file uploader, and then I'm going to create the first conversion API implementation. So, step by step, it's it's going slow, but it's getting there. Yeah, it looks like this right now. So, okay, this is the home page. It's using Next.js for the front end, right? And then any API requests are done through Django in the backend. So that's the one. So this is like your dashboard. You get to manage your credentials, your storage options, because when you upload a file, you get to choose a destination where the file is going to be placed in. And right, so you upload the file, but before you upload the file, you got to give us permission for us to place that file into your bucket or whatever the storage option you are using. So, you get to see kind of like what this is and, like it at a glance. If you have like multiple ones, you'll be able to configure which one you are sending it to, right? So it kind of makes sense. And then the credential is if you are using, let's say like you can create multiple applications, assuming that you have you can create multiple credentials for different platforms or different servers that you're utilizing. If you're like, if you have more than one, if you have need for more than one, basically that's it. So you can keep track of things. And you use this credential to sign your JSON Web Token, and then you send it in for authentication. And then if it authenticates, it gives you an access token, and then you use the access token in the file uploader to upload the file. So every incoming request is authenticated through the access token. So it's like that. I do it for the reason that if you're uploading things from the browser, you don't have to worry about maintaining JSON Web Token on the browser. Basically, that's it. You know the feeling using Python 3? Yeah, I'm using Python 3. Python 3.10 right now. Let's see. I think Python 3.10. Where's my Docker file? Oh, it's right here. Python dev, and then Django. Yeah, this is the one right here. Yeah, I'm using Python 3.10. Is the token to pass to the API? So it's twofold, right? The first step, assuming that you created an account and you created a credential set, like I showed you here, right? So you create a credential set, you just give it a name, and then it just generates the key and secret for you, and then you get to see it here. So assuming that you already done that, so when you are making a request, let's open up the HTTP client here. So when you're authenticating, you provide the JSON Web Token in the authorization header, and then I respond back with an access token. Basically, that's it. And then you use the access token in any of the API services endpoints. You pass the access token here, and then that's it. Yeah, because the selling point here is, the selling point here is that the uploader is a resumable file uploader. So when you're uploading a file using any of my libraries, right, the file is sliced, like it's chunked. So you're uploading it like chunk by chunk, and each chunk is being sent in its own request, and each request needs to be authenticated. So we would know like who it belongs to, what bucket it's going to, and things like that. So. Hello, iPhone or Android? I don't have a preference for either, but I'm currently using an Android, and I'm happy with it. It's cheaper, and the reason that I'm using it is because at the time that I bought the phone, it was the only one with 8 gig memory. So I ended up buying it because I wanted something that will last me a long time. I've been using my phone since like 2017, 2016, 2017. I haven't upgraded it yet. Do you do programming, Marvel? I'm streaming on multiple platforms, so I'm replying to other chats. I'm on YouTube and Twitch as well. So do you do programming? You are the owner of Babel Chat? Holy shit, dude. That's cool. I don't know what that is. Forgive me for not knowing what that is. But I'll check it out after this stream, see what it is. Is it safe to open on stream? I don't want to like face some boobies and titties and let's do it here. Babel chat, copy, open a private window just in case to be stream safe. Babel chat. My Babel chat. Is it my Babel.chat? Is it this? Is it this? This is the first thing that showed up on the Google. Stream Babel chat. Search Google for stream Babel chat. Oh, it's on it's a kick channel. Okay, my bad. Hold on, you are on right now. It shows you live. 326 viewers, bro. That's crazy. It's a 24/7 stream chat bot. Nice, man. What language did you use it to generate it? Is it? I'm guessing it's Python, since you mentioned Python. JS. Hell yeah. Honestly, I wouldn't guess JS to be a chatbot, but that's cool. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I'm not as efficient in JS as in Python. I can do things, but I don't know. I'm more like backend heavy. But I create this entire thing using Next.js and TypeScript. It works good enough for me. You're not a great lover of Py. Oh, I love Py. Python is amazing for me. It makes me happy. I mean, the reason I like Python a lot is because my long-term goal is to get into AI and machine learning. So I would like to, move over to that down the line. So Python is a great community around it, and it's already pretty well developed in that aspect. So that was the reason I heavily focused on Python. And at the time I was learning Python, JS wasn't a thing for backend. It wasn't a thing for backend at the time. Yeah, TS and JS, I love it. Got it. Honestly, I kind of like TypeScript. It's the type checking thing. I actually enjoy it. It is still not a good backend, but I mean it's getting developed though. It's slowly heading that direction. So I feel like there is a demand and there is a drive going there. So I feel like it's gonna be more stable. At least I feel like it's going in that direction. I mean, another thing is, look at Next.js. Like, it's actual production releases of projects are being made using Next.js, using TypeScript. So I feel like it's pretty much at that point already, right? I haven't seen like any single news or article out there like saying that, yeah, it's not safe to use for backend. It just wasn't really settled down properly, but like especially with Next.js out, and I think like Express is out there as well. There are like a few frameworks you can use. I feel like they kind of like put it into, you know, a box that it works. I might be wrong about that though. That's just my impression coming from using Next.js only, you know, like, so take it with a grain of salt. You use them on the bottom widgets. Yeah. 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 That's what I'm saying. Like it seems like there is a lot of effort and investment of work like going to the direction. So like I feel good. I would feel confident enough to like use it for a full scale production level application. So what does your Babel chat do? Like I just see that it's like posting what you gonna call this thing? Posting stats. I'm not seeing like any user interaction. Maybe I am missing it. Oh, we got another follower. SirZD. Yo, thanks for the follow. I and Nabile Fida. Guys, thanks for the follows. I missed those. I don't have alerts for the kick. The streamers that have the bot installed to their channel. Oh, I see. Cool. I think I've seen some similar ones on Twitch a while back, but I've taken a break from streaming because I didn't really focus on that much. All right, back to what was I doing? Shit, I forgot what I was doing. You were on a few platforms. Cool. Did you do the other platforms in JS as well, or did you use like other languages? I've seen so many people like streaming when they are creating bots for Twitch or Kick or whatever, and mostly like I've seen JavaScript, although I didn't even know how they worked. Someone was creating a Discord bot using Python, I think. It was kind of interesting to watch. Cool. Cool, yeah. Sounds like an interesting project. All bots are done in JS. That's not bad. That's not bad. You know, I got nothing against JS. I'm just not that good in JS. I just didn't put that much time into JS. Okay, so what was I doing? I was doing something that I was trying to like finalize. Oh yeah, okay. So access tokens expired in unacceptable. Holy shit! Okay, we're gonna remove that. So this is like moving up, and I'm enjoying this. Assertion error 401 access token required is expired. This is coming from the, oh yeah. This is coming from here. This is so cool. It knows that it's expired already. Yay! Yeah, I need to get rid of this. It's gonna go away, but still. Okay. Let's run this again. Internal server error, good. It should tell me about e.message, where is this coming from? Whiskey. Authentication request, line 79. Yeah, I just broke my thing. Oh shit, I made a mistake. Okay, now we should be back. Can you like hit? Okay, that's not the error anymore. We're getting it from somewhere else. Although I don't know where. Gotta figure it out. So I think we are raising this error here. So the next one here is, okay, this is not defined, so it's okay. We're gonna say credential. This is gonna complain because I just upgraded the version of the package. So I'm gonna have to pass the algorithm that this is using to decode. So it knows what to do with it. So it knows which algorithm to use to decode. Let's do a quick thing here. What is going on? Okay. I don't know what the error is here. It's giving me a 500, but I don't know why. I'm going to restart this. Docker restart API. It's going to take a good few seconds, but it should be cool. Marvel, do you also do stream where you program live on your of your bot? Just curious. Okay, so this is good. Let's run this again. There we go. We're back. Yeah, I knew that the restarter kind of it didn't restart properly, so it was like hanging. Cool. This is nice. Oh, I am using the wrong one. Jesus Christ. Bruh, nobody's telling me anything. Okay, we gotta provide the correct one. Let's provide the correct one. I restarted and it broke my thing. It's okay. So we're gonna say import JVT and then do JWT. I always call it JVT as if like it's V, not W. I'm gonna love it. We're gonna say cred equals this, and then payload equals this. Okay, let's correct this one. File Python, I believe. Right. And then we're gonna say token equals this. Secret is not defined. Secret equals this. Let's do this again, and then give my token. So this is my Json Web Token. Signed, sealed, and delivered. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's put this here now to, and then pass it. Python file it. Did I make it typo? Oh yeah, I made it the other way around. God damn it. Yeah, I didn't. I know I made a mistake there. Got that. Okay. Let's send it here and then. Oh no. Viper Gaming! How we doing, yo? Welcome. How's it going? It's going good. How about you? Invalid? What did I do again? Did I make a typo again? Doesn't make sense. This is a real web token. Been a while? Yeah, I took a break. I had to take a break. I was supposed to take a break for like a month, for like 3 weeks, and then I ended up taking a much longer break than that. I needed it though. What have you been doing? You were on holiday for 2 weeks. That's nice. What did you do on your free time? Came back yesterday. Nice. This bearer, am I making a typo or something? Invalid Json Web Token. This doesn't make any sense. I think I messed it up. I feel like bearer space, and then I'm gonna copy this whole thing. Copy properly, okay, and then paste it, and then send. No, this doesn't make any sense. What is... Just played PS4 and went to Saudi Arabia, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Istanbul. Holy smokes, bro. Nice. Istanbul. I'm from Turkey. So how did you like Istanbul? And what did you do there? Yeah, exactly. So why is this telling me that this structure is invalid? Doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's see where this is coming exactly, and let's see what the problem is here, right? Oh no, that's not the place. There we go. Oh, so the decode is throwing an error? What the heck? Oh yeah, this is throwing an error because it requires a thing. Oh, yeah. Oh shit, the key just came off. Are you kidding me? The keycap just came off. Is this even show up on the stream? Oh, okay. It's not getting rid of it, my escape key. Okay. Istanbul was only for like about 14 hours stop off, so was allowed to go outside on a tour from the Turkish airline for free. 14 hours, that's... I know. Istanbul is like really big, man. It's really big. So I'm thinking that it's like, you know, maybe like you got to try some nice food, I'm hoping. Okay, tell me what the error is. Yeah, it's telling me that I'm supposed to pass an algorithm. So let's go do pass an algorithm here. So we're gonna say algorithms equals HS256. That's the one that we are using. So restart. Thank you. Good job. I did like about 23K steps on that trip. Love the food. Holy shit. 23K steps? That's like, holy shit. How long is that? Like a good 10 miles? Did you like walk everywhere? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, API cred does not exist. Where is it trying to do this thing? Where am I still trying to get API cred? Doesn't make any sense. Walked everywhere on the tour. That's sweet, dude. Is there a signal here? Oh, yeah, this is trying to do. Okay, let's do this. Credential. Okay, let's do this credential, and then we're going to turn this into a foreign key. What am I doing? Credential. I'm making typos left and right today. Null equals false. Blank equals false. And then turn this into user as well. So this is going to be settings dot. What is that name for the default out user, right? Default. Dude, what is the setting? Am I tripping? So got to the food place for breakfast and was nonstop walking from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Only after lunch they allowed us to go back on the bus and only got 3 hours sleep on flight to Istanbul. Oh, bro. But it sounds like you had a really good time though. Sounds like you had a good time. And I think that should mean something, right? Like going to that many countries, going around all over the place. I would love to do that, honestly. Okay, Django default user model setting. What? Django settings. Let's just fucking find it here, I guess. Out user model right here. I thought I had this somewhere. I don't have it set. What the fuck? Oh, I do. It's right here. Motherfucker. Bro. Out user model. There you go. So out user model, which is fine. And then credential. Oh, we gotta do on delete models dot cascade. Do not initialize, and then we're gonna say on delete the same thing. Brutal, but was amazing because I got to see items from Islamic prophets, and then I got goosebumps looking at those artifacts. Holy shit. My mom wants to do that, but I don't think like she can't really walk around like you. I'm happy for you, man. That sounds like you had an awesome time. It's fucking amazing. Okay, so I think we should be set on this thing here. So I'm gonna go and what you gonna call this thing? Generate these migrations, right? Docker exec it. I'm gonna say show migration. Yeah. Oh, there's no underscore. What am I doing? I'm doing dumb shit. So let's do a make migration, right? Make migrations. It should generate our file. Hold on. Duplicated, we can provide a one of default. Now we will send all existing rows with a null value for this column. Credential access token without specifying the default. This is because the database needs something to populate existing rows. It's impossible to add a non-null credential access token without specifying one. Okay, so let's do it then. So I'm going to say cred.id. So we're going to provide this as a default value. I think it should be okay, since this is not a, oh shit. Provide a one of default. Bro. Okay. It's 11:30 and I'm very sleepy, but I landed yesterday and I woke up this morning at 5:15 a.m. because I had to go to the uni for my final year. I got a day off from uni until next week, Monday. You have more holiday on your hands. I'm really hungry. I gotta eat something, yo. more PS4 time for you, bro. My second computer has the wrong time. Why? Date time. Let's do sync. Should be the correct time. 3:32 p.m. What the fuck are you doing? Time zone. It uses Pacific? No, you can't do that. We need Eastern time. Eastern time. There we go. Thank you. Now I can see the correct time. What I did was on my laptop, on my Windows gaming laptop, I installed Ubuntu on it next to Windows. So I said dual boot right now, and then every time you boot into Ubuntu, it changes the format for the time. So when you switch back to Windows, it gets the time from the motherboard, right? And then from the clock, and then now the time always shows the wrong time. So you had to like resync it to the correct time every single time you boot into it from Ubuntu. Kind of an annoying thing, but what to do? Okay, so this is done, and I think given the status here, this should go through. Let's try this again. Still internal server error. Okay, let's see what it is this time. Bro, I don't. Okay, I gotta restart it again. It just keeps doing this, and I'm gonna lose all my terminal process here. Oh my god, it's struggling. Okay, let's check this again. Guess what, man? I bought all the components to build my own PC. All the components will be with me on Thursday. Not sure about when I'm gonna get my motherboard, as it is flying in from the US. What the what? Why would what is the motherboard you're buying that you have to fly it in from the US? That must have cost you like a fortune because you're buying it all the way from US, right? I'm guessing like they're gonna add some taxes from the customs if it's coming from the US. I'm guessing like you bought something that kind of like they will last you a long time, so kind of like future proofing. But it's weird to hear that you are waiting for a motherboard from the US because you don't have it in. Although I thought you were in the UK, right? Have a Gigabyte B550 ATX motherboard, AMD 4. Let me check what this is. I'm kind of curious what it is now. Okay, let's go. By the way, this restarted. Cool. Let's do this. Something went wrong. Come on. Accidental keyboard arguments. User ID, API cred ID. Okay. So instead of doing user ID, we're just going to say user, right? Credential user. And then this is going to be credential. credential. Yeah, I forgot to change that, so it's kind of my bad. Let's do this one more time. Another one. I cannot assign to router prevents this relation. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I'm dumb. Okay. Let me check this first real quick. It's designed for gaming. Grant is giving me 32 GB RAM for free on Monday. Free RAM? Hell yeah, bro. Is this the one? ATX. I'm not sure if I'm seeing this. There are like so many different versions of this thing. Which one though? There are like several different versions of this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 without the M version. Another one, 5, 6. Oh shit, there's like a different one here. 7, this one right here. 8, 9. 9 different versions. Second one, first row. Second one, first row. This one right here. This one right here. Let's see, USB Type-C front, cool. Supports AMD Ryzen 5000 series, Ryzen 5000 G series, 4000 G series, 3000 series processors, dual channel ECC, error correction, and non-ECC, unbuffered DDR4 for names, cool. Yeah, there's like 4 slots here I can see. And 12+2 phase digital twin power design with 58 DRMOS. I don't know what this is. Ultra durable PCIe 4. 4x16 slot? 4x16. Holy shit, this is the first time I'm seeing that. The max I saw so far was like 2. It was like x8 and x4. This is x16. All 4 of them, bro. 1, 2, 3. This is what? This is x16? This can't be x16, is it? You have an AMD Ryzen 5600? Yeah, then you should be good. It's compatible with it. But this is crazy though, man. Dual, ultra-fast NVMe PCIe. Yeah, this is 1, this is 2. These 2 slots right here. I have like very similar looking one on my motherboard right here. So I can kind of see that. This is sick, dude. There are like 2 of them. It's crazy. Okay, Wi-Fi 6E. All right, this is cool. Bluetooth 0.5. All right, cool. Audio capacitors and audio noise card for ultimate audio quality. Blazing fast 2.5 2.5. Holy shit, this is crazy, bro. I have the GeForce 3060. Oh, bro, you are all set. You are all set. You can do like very nice high-end gaming with while you are like streaming it like on like pretty good resolutions with pretty good bitrate, assuming that your internet supports it. I think you don't have anything that's holding you back. Front USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C display port HDMI. So this is Thunderbolt then. That's the part I'm trying to understand. Is it like, if it is doing DisplayPort and HDMI, like what's the speed of this thing here? RGB Fusion to support strips, smartphone, quick flash update, but okay. Pre-install IO Shield for easy and quick installation. I guess how much it cost? 816 pounds. That's pounds, right? You call it pounds? Or is that euro? I'm not sure if that's euro or pounds. That looks like euro. Fuck, I forgot the sign of the euro. Pounds? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm like, euro looks like this with the thing that goes through. It's like E, but like a rounder. Bro, what the heck? I'm just trying to go to the next picture. I am not trying to open it. Okay, I don't know. Like there should be like a navigational thing here. Fucking gigabyte. Come on, bro. No, come on. Oh, there you go. Okay, there's a display port and HDMI, and then your connection for the Bluetooth thing, and the Wi-Fi expanders, the antennas, and then what is this port, bro? USB port? Why does it look like? Wow. Line out, line in. Cool. All right. It looks kind of basic, but yeah, it should work. You have 1 TB storage, dude. You're all set. You are all set. The only thing I would do, like secondarily, is I would get a secondary drive for my like game files, because if you are like playing, let's say 3-4 different games, you know, like let's say like Red Dead Redemption and then things like that, you know, like it's gonna fill up your storage real quick. Want to see the case? Oh yeah, show me the case. That's what people see anyway. They see the case. They don't really look at the motherboard that much. 1 TB external hard drive as well. External hard drives, like their reading and writing speeds are not gonna be that great. So if you get like a 1 TB HDD that just has like game files in it, so you can like point your Steam library to it, then like it would be so much easier to manage. I mean, just a suggestion if you can. I'm kind of sad that this doesn't have Thunderbolt. Maybe it does. No, it doesn't. It should still be like fast enough, because if you have the USB-C connectors for the front, then and it can work as like it worked fast enough to work as a display port, then I think it's like half the speed of Thunderbolt 4. I don't really remember those numbers, but it should be something like that. This is good, dude. This will get you like set up. I'm excited. I would like to like. Are you gonna stream it after you set it up? The CIT Blaze Red Gaming PC case Mid Tower ATX. All right, let me check this. I'm just gonna copy paste this shit. I am not opening my thing. Okay. Don't put my fucking address. Don't change. Okay, fuck it. Is it this one? This looks fucking awesome, bro. You said red, so black and blue. Shit, there is no red? I think this one here. This one right here. I think this is the one. Is this the one? This is so bright. Fuck my eyes. This one, right? I think I found it. This is 5.5 keys? Bro, damn, this is fucking heavy. What? Oh, this is so nice. Where is the USB-C connector? Because your motherboard has support for USB-C connections. It doesn't look like it has a port for USB-C. Oh, did you realize that, or like you weren't aware? I don't see a USB-C port on this thing here. Maybe I'm click on the image and there are more images. I was looking at this one. Ooh. Power, HTTP activity light, reset, headphone and mic, USB 2, and a USB 3. Yeah, it doesn't have a USB-C port. Oh, this looks nice. It's a good color and everything, honestly. Personally, I'm not a fan of those like RGB lights at all. I turn them off, you know, when I'm using my computer because I don't like those lights. You don't really use USB-C? I use it a lot. I use it a lot. The box is fucking awesome too, bro. Jesus. Yeah, I use USB-C a lot. Like, I'm actually porting everything I have to USB-C. If I'm buying a new device that requires any kind of connection, it has to be USB-C. I'm not buying like USB, micro USB, or whatever it is, right? I'm not just doing that. It's all USB-C. Like, I'm just completely going that direction now. But this looks amazing, dude. So, are you gonna be like doing streams with this? I have a 45-inch curved monitor and wireless keyboard and mouse with lights. Damn, bro, your room is gonna look like what is that? Times Square. It's gonna have like lights everywhere. What if I have a monitor? Like, you'll be able to like play some games and a really good fucking vision. Got a dope setup. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah, I would love to see it. Like, are you planning on streaming at all with that? Woo. I gotta eat some food. I'm like starving. Mostly just gonna be playing GTA 5 Warzone, doing my programming stuff, and work on my new project. Nice. But what I'm asking is, are you gonna be streaming doing those so I can catch you, know? I'm gonna be doing an unboxing stream on Friday and assembling it on Monday or Tuesday next week. Nice. Nice. Bro, I'm excited for you, man. That shit is gonna be lit. Yeah, of course. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call it because I'm starving. I gotta eat something. Like, my stomach is folding on itself, and I'm feeling the tiredness from not eating. Gotta go chew on some nutrients, you know. It's 11:50 p.m. Yeah, it's late over there. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, dude. I appreciate you like chatting me up. 10 pieces of sushi. Hell yeah, bro. I love sushi. I miss it so much. There is no good sushi here around where I live. It's just all crap. I used to live in Los Angeles and I was able to get like really nice sushi over there, but that's not the case anymore since I moved to Canada. And I'm not living somewhere central, so I don't have that kind of variety in good food. So suburban here for me. Yeah, anyways, I should be on again tomorrow. I have to battle with this ice cream guy. They're like pulling back. Bro. Yeah, I know. The Turkish ice cream the vendors are like fucking notorious with it. They do it a lot, like in touristic spots and with foreigners. All right, man. I really gotta go eat something. Like my stomach is, it's not doing well with this shit. I'm running on fumes right now. What a day! Ah! Just give me the ice cream. See, man. You have a good night. I'll check in with you. Hopefully, I get to watch your stream if I can catch you on time. If not, I will check out the video later on, assuming it gets saved. But you have a good night, and thanks for stopping by. And everybody else, guys, thanks for the follows. We got a few today, and a lot of people chatting me up today. Thank you for that. I'm gonna go get some food. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm following it. I'm already following it. So I'm gonna check in with you guys later. If I come back online with the game, I'm gonna play some games. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, most likely. So see you guys soon, hopefully. And thanks for watching.